Okay. Oh, it's so dark. I know it's been a really long time, but I'm bringing the vlog back. This is my studio, by the way. It's kind of hard to see. That has nothing to do with today's video. I've sort of been hiding something that I found and picked up and have been working on, and I want to show it to you guys now. And I just got a really important package in the mail, so we're gonna go down and look at it. We're in the garage. It's storming outside, so I don't think I can actually install this yet, but I have this big box that has come in from Pelican Parts. It has the piece of this sort of puzzle that's going to make this car that I've gotten, I've maybe given the surprise away. It's gonna make me able to use the car. It's not this car. This car is 175,000 miles now and counting. The stealth is perfect, so. I'll give you a hint though. It's more akin to that one in looks-ish. I don't know. Okay. Oh yeah, oh yes. Okay, so first, we have an air filter for this car. Great. Second off, we've got some carpet screws, even better. And some more interior screws, fasteners of some kind for the interior. I'm not entirely sure everything I ordered, but floor mats, of course, these are essential. But this right here is the pièce de résistance. This is everything we've been waiting for. This one piece that I'm about to open up is over $1,000, and it's this big. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. This is the M535 Immobilizer unit for Porsche 911, 996, and Boxster 986 convertible models. And basically it controls the convertible top, it controls the side windows, it controls every electronic function, and it connects with the ECU and controls whether the car will start or not. So I found this car listed on eBay, and it was listed with all kinds of terrible symptoms, like the car won't start, the car has a bad convertible top that won't go up and down, it has quarter windows that won't go up and down, it has all kinds of problems that are going to be extremely expensive to fix. And I thought to myself, well, I had just worked on a Boxster as a summer project, and this Boxster came to me needing an immobilizer, and the convertible top didn't work, the car wouldn't start, and it doesn't even crank or anything. Nothing happens. It was very clear that this car just needed an immobilizer, and that would fix 90 to 100% of the issues. And there were two that were in stock in Porsche USA, and I ordered it through Pelican Parts, and it's here, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna have the car towed to Porsche Monmouth so they can program it with some new keys, and finally I'll be able to drive this car. So let's install it. This thing is beautiful. I don't know how well this comes across on camera, but there is the first clue to what it is. It's a Techart front bumper. That's an even better clue over there, but that is a very coveted and rare Techart whale tail, not to mention our side skirts down here. But this is the old immobilizer unit that I'm trying to get out. There's the new one right there, and it is proving to be not the easiest thing to remove. After a few minutes of wiggling, that is on there pretty good. I'm gonna put this on a towel with a silica gel packet because I don't want it to ever get wet. I want to keep this thing running and working and starting and all of the systems going for as long as possible. Let's get a quick tour of this interior going. We have a carbon steering wheel. We've got Techart foot plates down there. So much carbon and so much leather, and a dash that desperately needs to be reupholstered. But if the door cards are any indication, this thing has been very well cared for most of its life. Back seats look really good. I just finished fitting this whole carpeting section was missing, so I had to replace that. Section here behind the seats I just finished screwing in. It took me forever to find those screws, but I did. I am cleaning the engine bay of this thing and finding a few things that I guess will prove to be interesting. First of all, it looks like some new engine mounts and cooling lines have been fitted not too long ago. This car allegedly hasn't run since 2021, so looks like somebody did take care of it though. There's some wiring that doesn't look stock, so I guess we'll find out what that means engine-wise, but the whole thing just looks like it's in such good shape, barring the airbox, which I'm gonna fix up right about now. With the air filter changed, we now have the airbox back mostly in place. I have to sort of wiggle it down a bit more. But yeah, this thing is nearly ready to go. I think I would usually change the oil, but there's not much working room under there, so I'm gonna have Porsche Mammoth do it just before they start the car up. And with that, I think that is enough for today's work. We have the Immobilizer in, we have the new floor mats in, we have the interior screwed back together, air filter. Yeah, I mean, the whole thing's cleaned up. I cleaned up the engine. I've been putting turtle wax spray sealant on every surface pretty much, unless it's engine surface, just to keep this thing protected from UVs and water and all kinds of other corrosion. I'm really excited about this one. I mean, it's one of not that many Techart 996s, especially Techart 996 cabriolets. I think there's only a handful that have ever been built with the full body kit, and I'm about to get the Techart Formula wheels in the mail. I ordered them from somebody in Florida, I think, and they're gonna be coming here. So yeah, a lot of updates to get this full Techart build back to its original glory. I mean, only 63,000 miles on this car, so yeah, I'm very excited. So it's the next day. I'm back in my dark studio, and I'm editing this video, and I unfortunately don't have the car back yet. Porsche Mammoth was swamped today. They weren't able to reprogram my car, and first thing tomorrow morning is when they said I'll be able to go get it. So part 2 of this video is coming. I have more stuff I need to do as soon as I get the car back, just check it over mechanically, finish putting the interior back together, stuff like that. And the more I'm doing research on this car, the more I'm realizing it really is, I think, one of one that have ever been made with the full front bumper, side skirts, and rear wing of this car in a black cabriolet. I really think this is the only one of these cars that exists. So that may be a bold claim. If you do have a Techart 996, please email me, message me, comment on this video. I really need to find more people out there who have them. I found one guy in England who has the side skirts and the rear wing, but a different front bumper. So it's you know, it's a rare one. But yeah, I'm hoping to find somebody out there with a similar car or a similar story. But yeah, as far as I can tell now, this is the only one of these cars that exists. So with that, I will see you guys in the next one, and have a good one. Bye, camera.